I think you guys have been using DaVinci Resolve from a long time now, and I bet you have seen this text effect that is going viral nowadays. And on DaVinci, it is very different to make as compared to After Effects, because on After Effects there is like a simple add effect, but on DaVinci, if you use the basic one, it won't work. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this bezel text effect so that you can use these in your short form content as well as long form. Okay, so let's start. So as you can see on my display right now, this is our text effect, whatever. Okay, so how did I make this? First of all, just to showcase, this is the whole text. Okay, first we are taking this in a template. Okay, I'm going to quickly explain it how this works so that we can like start the tutorial also. Simple blue text I have taken, then I have taken it into two directions. Okay, one is the Gaussian blur so that I can blur it. Okay, second is the create bump map. By creating bump map, I get these lines dark in left, so as well as I can like change the horizontal and channel and everything else. Okay, nothing complicated, simple. Okay, this is our create bump map mode. Okay, then we have color corrector. I have lightened this up because this color matches this color, the bump map color. Okay, this is same as this one, and then I have created this into a lighter version by using a color corrector, simply increasing the gain and putting it into a more lighter bluish one. Okay, then we have used a merged. Merge helped us to like get this effect in like this format. How we did it? We put it a merge, then we connected this as our foreground. Okay, the one that we have been creating, the Gaussian blur, create bump map, and color corrector. Okay, then we have changed the operation type to in. It was over like this, and then we have taken it in. Okay, and then we have connected this node, okay, so that this template can work as a mask. Okay, now we have these type of things. How okay, if we remove this, let's say the ellipse that I've created here. Okay, if I remove these, this is the text that is looking like this. Okay, simple, we got the lines, the whitish ones as well as the dark blue ones. Okay, then we are connecting it to our ellipse as a in the blue node, which is the mask one. Okay, and these ellipses are like this. Okay, so when we create it, it only shows this, whatever this one was. Okay, this one, and it is masking out only that part, and this is the full the background, so we can watch. Like, this one is also available for the background. Okay, then what we have is a color corrector. Because I wanted to change the color of it to yellow in the title, so I simply used a color corrector, increased a little bit of gain, and put it into the yellow hue even. Okay, then this is a shallow glow plugin. Shallow glow is one of the best glow effects that DaVinci has. Of course, you can use X glow, but that is not optimized. If you are shooting like on the 4K background like I am, that will get a lot of lag, and this one doesn't. This one like creates a little bit of lag, but not too much of a lag. Okay? And this is the best one to give the most prominent view, and it is on the default settings. I haven't touched it. Okay? Of course, you can like change the tint and everything in this. Okay, but we are not going to do that. Then I simply added a drop shadow. That is also uh, not that much difference. Just I've decreased the blur, decreased the distance, so that comes at the back of it and gives like a little bit of contrast for it. Okay, then we have like increase the shadow. That is everything. Okay, then I've added a grain so that I can have like a little bit of effect when we take it in the editing panel. Okay, it will like give a good effect by editing things. Then it is simply a medium, nothing fancy, simple, and here you can see this one. Like this gives a good effect. Okay, it's sort of a energy in the type, but you will like this one when you are using it. I recently used in one of my videos, and I got a lot of messages like how do you create it, and this is how I created it. I didn't like extend it a lot, and very simple text. If you want, I can like recreate it, but I don't think we will need that. If you have understood what I have done, then I don't think you will be needing that. As well as if you are looking for buying the whole pack that I use, like which is this one, text animation one. Yeah, it has like all of the text animations that I use, and this is one of the most used ones that I have, like the pack. Because text animation is like a must in every single short form or long form video, and this helps me like cut my time to like if there are videos of 3 hours to be edited. If I'm saying it's a 3 hour video and you have to like put a text effect, put some color grading and some b-rolls, and this makes it to be like roughly in 30 minutes. I can create the whole video in 30 minutes. I've increased my time span by this. I've saved a lot of time. Even recently, I created a video in literally 5 seconds because like literally 5 minutes because the client was like, I want this type of animation, this type of video. Video was there. I just need to like put it together. I put it together, aligned it with the music, and like put it as some text effects, wrote them, and it was done. It took me roughly 15 minutes to be wrapping up the whole video that any editor, seriously, any editor would have taken roughly half of it. So saves a bunch of time with these. And if you just imagine if you can like save like half a day work into like 15-30 minutes, just imagine how many videos you can do and how much money you can make. So it saves a lot of time. Anyways, I hope you like this. I know this was a short video, and if you want that, you can check out the description. You will find the text panel, like the whole text animation. If you want the free, there are some free available. You can go and like take them, and see you in the next video.